Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a marshmallow rice mask. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of uncooked rice, 2 tablespoons of marshmallows, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Make sure your ingredients are fresh to get the best results for your skin. This mask is easy to prepare and offers wonderful benefits. Now let's prepare the rice. Begin by rinsing your 1/4 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, cook the rice with enough water until it becomes very soft and mushy, almost overcooked. Finally, mash the cooked rice thoroughly to create a smooth, lump-free paste. This forms the base of our soothing mask. With your rice paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently melt your 2 tablespoons of marshmallows. You can use a microwave for about 15 seconds or a double boiler. Once melted, add the mashed rice to the warm marshmallows. Stir well, then incorporate the 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Your marshmallow rice mask is now ready. Apply a generous, even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Relax and let the mask work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. The natural ingredients will help soothe and hydrate your skin. After the time is up, rinse thoroughly with warm water. You'll love how soft and refreshed your skin feels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.